What's up, guys? Day 19. I have to admit, today was not my best performance. I won't lie. Okay, came into the market today and looking at JBP USD, right? Now I know why. Remember from last time, I got distracted by other trading opportunities, other pairs, and other good biases, and that messed me up. So I was like, okay, we're just gonna focus. JBP USD, pretty solid, always a solid and reliable pair that I could trade. More often than not, you will find opportunities on London session, and that's what I did. That's what happened. I had a great opportunity to go for a buy, and that was my bias today. Main target was that elusive Tokyo high that I wanted to take out, and it did. But plot twist, I made a mistake. I may or may not have been checking the account balance of my demo account while a few minutes into the market open. Honestly, it caught me off guard real bad, because market open, like off rip, the moves started happening. Like the entry would happen at 7:08, 7:09, I think, somewhere there. Not even 10 minutes into market open, because the sweep had already happened pre-market. And so I don't know why I thought that it would take a while, knowing that I saw that the pre-market had already swept and already made moves, and we were already getting ready for a bullish move, and all we needed was some market open, some session open momentum, and that's literally what it did. So we session open and then filled out the rest of the 1 minute confluences. Then as soon as it broke 5 minute structure, it just took off. And I was checking my account balance, and so I missed it. I was like, okay, well, there's no opportunity for an entry into this one. It's not even retracing, it's just skyrocketing. And I looked at it, that would have been 4-1 trade, and that would have been a banger trade to hit. So I'm mad about that. I was mad about that, and decided, you know what, it would be a great idea. We should revenge trade. No, that's what I did. Yes, that's what I did. Because NASDAQ, I know that NASDAQ and ES, the futures that are there, it's a bull market right now, and it's just skyrocketing. And when I saw that, okay, London session opens and it's just really slowly moving down and then slowly moving up, and I was like, I think it's gonna push higher. It didn't really do anything off of the session, the all-time high, not all-time high, the session high that it was sitting at. It literally came up to an all-time high or a session high, and it said, yeah, I don't really want to go down. And then also it was an SMT that a Loki just disrespected, and I was like, yeah, it's probably just gonna go. And instead of saying, okay, you know what, I'm already missed my opportunity, the one that I wanted to, I decided I'm a revenge trade, because I can't end this week on a loss. I can't end this week negative. I prioritized my ego and my 5-week winning streak, 6-week winning streak or something like that, over proper trading. And honestly, this needs to be the last time this ever happens. This is the first time I revenge traded in literally almost 2 months now. I was going strong, and then my emotions did get the best of me. I did win. I did profit off this trade. I'm not proud of it. We will not do that again. I risked money for my pride, basically. So that's gonna be the last. We're not doing that. But we're in another week of positive, so that's good news. My streak continues. We've had several weeks of just consecutive profit, bro. Very few losses so far. My win rate has been great. It's gonna be bad if I keep trading this way. So, no revenge trading. If I miss the opportunity, do not revenge trade on another pair. I really need to work on that. Letting go of a trade. Now I learned what I'm like when a good trade opportunity is missed. I end up revenge trading. So we're not gonna do that. That's the lesson learned. And yeah. That's what. Fuck you, Powell. Fuck you.